Hi, today I'm going to share with you how chicken methi is prepared. Chicken methi is a chicken curry dish made from cooking spiced, marinated chicken with fresh fenugreek leaves. Red chili, fenugreek powder, coriander powder, black seed, cumin seed, garam masala, chicken masala, and salt. Curd, fenugreek dried leaves, ginger garlic paste. Mix it all in. Marinate it for 20 minutes. Add the cumin seeds and onions and cook, stirring constantly, for 5 to 8 minutes, until the onions soften and take on a pale golden color. Prepare the paste of chilies, onions, ginger, and garlic. Add in the paste. Prepare the tomato puree to be added in the mixture. This will elevate the dish with a slight tanginess. Add chicken masala, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, fenugreek powder, and salt. Add in the tomato puree. Sauté the sauce on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the marinated chicken and mix it all well. When the chicken is fully cooked, add the fenugreek dried leaves. Mix it well. Cover it and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Once the gravy thickens, turn off the heat, transfer to a serving bowl, and garnish it with coriander leaves. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to enjoy more new recipes.